Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision, for educational purposes. Today, we're diving into one of the most fearsome attack helicopters in the world, the 2025 AH-64E Apache Guardian, developed by Boeing for the United States Army. This next-generation gunship is a true marvel of modern battlefield engineering, combining cutting-edge radar, powerful weapons, and real-time networked warfare capabilities. Let's break it all down, from its key technologies to its combat performance. Longbow radar. At the heart of the Apache Guardian's technological edge is the APG-78 longbow radar. Positioned in a dome above the rotor, this fire control radar gives the helicopter a powerful tactical advantage. The longbow can detect, identify, and prioritize up to 128 targets simultaneously, allowing the Apache to engage enemies quickly, even in poor visibility conditions. The radar uses millimeter-wave technology, meaning it can penetrate through rain, dust, fog, and battlefield smoke. This allows the Apache to spot threats while staying hidden behind terrain features like hills or trees, minimizing its exposure while maximizing lethality. With the 2025 upgrades, the radar system has become more compact, faster, and even better integrated with other onboard systems, giving the pilot and gunner complete battlespace awareness. Advanced targeting systems. Supporting the radar is a suite of advanced targeting systems that allow the Apache to strike with surgical precision. The TADS/PNVS, Target Acquisition Designation Sight/Pilot Night Vision Sensor, system, located under the nose, gives the crew real-time visual and infrared imaging for identifying threats at any time, day or night. These sensors work in sync with helmet-mounted displays, enabling the gunner to aim simply by looking at the target. The 2025 variant introduces enhanced AI-assisted target recognition, which reduces response time and increases accuracy, even in complex environments. These upgrades ensure the Apache can engage both static and moving targets, be they tanks, convoys, or enemy positions, with maximum efficiency. Hellfire, Stinger, and Spike missiles. When it comes to firepower, the AH-64E Apache Guardian is nothing short of devastating. It's equipped with a wide range of munitions, allowing it to adapt to any mission. The AGM-114 Hellfire missile is the Apache's primary weapon, highly effective against tanks, armored vehicles, and bunkers. It can be guided by laser or radar, giving the crew flexible options for engagement. Stinger missiles, usually known for shoulder-fired use, are mounted on the Apache for air-to-air defense. This makes the Apache capable of taking out enemy drones or helicopters, a feature not many attack helicopters possess. The newer Spike NLOS, non-line of sight, missiles offer incredible range and precision. With a reach of up to 32 kilometers, these missiles allow the Apache to strike well beyond visual range, hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy even if they're hidden behind cover or terrain. This combination gives the Apache unmatched versatility and lethality in air-to-ground and limited air-to-air engagements. Combat proven in multiple theaters. One of the greatest strengths of the AH-64E is its battlefield experience. It's not just a theoretical or test platform. This helicopter has seen real action in Iraq, Afghanistan, Syria, and across Eastern Europe. Its rugged airframe, advanced avionics, and survivability features make it a reliable choice for both offensive and support roles. The 2025 enhancements have improved operational range, fuel efficiency, and maintenance ease, making the Apache Guardian more deployable and sustainable in long-term conflicts. Its track record in close air support, reconnaissance, and anti-armor missions has made it a trusted companion for ground troops across NATO and allied forces. The 2025 AH-64E Apache Guardian represents the cutting edge of rotary-wing attack technology. With its longbow radar, advanced optics and sensors, a versatile missile arsenal, and a combat-proven legacy, it continues to define what an attack helicopter should be. This is not just a machine, it's a battlefield multiplier, capable of dominating both traditional and asymmetric warfare environments. Thanks for watching this review on Driven Vision. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most advanced helicopters flying today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more military tech breakdowns and performance reviews. Until next time, stay sharp and stay curious.